Hello, friends. I want to inform you about my new book, From Toussaint to Mars, Rhetoric, Race, and Religion in Haitian Thought. Well, in this particular work, I try to engage Haiti's intellectual history by focusing on the ideas and writings of Haiti's foremost important writers and intellectuals. I began with Toussaint Louverture, moved on to Joseph Antenor Firmin in the 19th century, Jacques Roumain, Jean-Paul Mars in the 20th century. The basic argument I try to make in this new text is that Haiti has produced a strong intellectual tradition from the revolutionary era to the postcolonial present. And a second argument I attempt to make is that Haitian's thought has not been homogeneous or unevolved, whether we're talking about the subject of history, religion, race, literature, or cultural studies. Hence, this book explores the rich diversity of Haitian intellectual history with regard to its what we might call cross-disciplinary and intersectional content. So, by carefully examining the ideas of Toussaint, Firmin, Roumain, and Poisson, I contend that the general interweaving themes of rhetoric, the race concept, race vindication, universal emancipation, religious un- unorthodoxy, secular humanism, the particular and the universal, and cosmopolitanism are representative of Haiti's intellectual tradition. So, Haitian intellectuals and writers have almost never separated these prevalent themes or motifs from each other and in their work. And correspondingly, uh, this work from Toussaint to Mars is a work on history of ideas and an attempt to grasp the intersections of rhetoric, religious ideas, race, and secular humanism and Haiti's intellectual history, as well as the various ways they crisscross each other. As a scholar and interpreter of the human experience, I seek to analyze the thoughts of Haitian writers and intellectuals in their national or regional, international, even cosmopolitan context, and with all their complexity and paradoxes. So this is and this is the sequel of my previous book, Race, Religion, and the Haitian Revolution. So these two volumes seek to articulate what I have called Haitian modernity. Thank you.